In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Davinci Resolve 20 in Windows 11. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Davinci Resolve. This is the website that we are looking for. The link to this website will also be attached in the description. Scroll down and click on Free Download. Remember that Resolve 20 is the free one and Resolve 20 Studio is the premium. On the Resolve 20 side, select your system. Now, you need to provide some information about yourself. You need to enter your name, company name, email, phone number, and address. After you are done, click on Register and Download. Save the download location, and the downloading should start automatically. After the file has been downloaded, click on it. This is the zip file that we just downloaded. Right-click on the file and click on Extract All. Select an extraction location and click on Extract. Let's close the file now. This is the file we just extracted. Open this file. In the pop-up, click on Install. Wait for the process. Now click on Next. Accept the agreement and click on Next. Now click on Install. It may take a few minutes to install the app. After the app is installed, click on Finish. Then, OK. Now, let's launch the app. In the pop-up, click on Continue. Now click on Skip. Here, you can see that we have successfully installed Davinci Resolve 20 in Windows 11.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.